Apple juice recipe with and without juicer. Make refreshing apple juice at home in 3 exciting flavors using a blender or a cold press juicer. Delectably fruity with a perfect balance of sweet and tart flavors, this homemade apple juice is full of vitamins and minerals. It also packs a punch of health benefits. Basically, there are 2 ways to make apple juice: fresh juice and boiled apple juice. In this post I share how to make both ways. You can make the fresh juice using a blender or a slow juicer. You can choose between the basic lemonade apple juice, pomegranate apple juice or celery apple juice, 3 flavor variations. The boiling method is good when you have plenty of apples to use up. The juice made this way also keeps longer for about 10 to 15 days in the refrigerator. Fresh fruit juices are better for optimal health benefits as they are free from additives. Here are some benefits of fresh apple juice. Builds overall immunity, helping the body to fight against frequent cold, coughs and infections. Beautiful, flawless, and blemish-free skin, keeping wrinkles, acne and pigmentation at bay. Improves appetite and digestion. Detoxifies the body and reduces cholesterol. Best apples for juicing. Apple juice tastes best when made with fresh apples that are in season rather than those that have been in the cold storage for a while. The kind of apples you want to use depends on how you like your juice to taste: sweet, tart, or a mix of sweet and tart with a floral aroma. Apple varieties that are high in acid levels yield a tart juice. On the other hand, apples that are low acidic and sweet will give you sweet-tasting apple juice. You can also use a mix of high and low acidic apples for a balance of sweet and tart flavors and taste. If you are new to juicing, try out this combination first to see how your body responds. On the contrary, if you suffer from acidity and heartburn, sweeter apples are best. But if you want to cut down your sugar levels, I suggest you combine another low-sweet vegetable or fruit like orange with apple for your juice. Our personal preference is low acidic and sweet apples like Ambrosia, Juliet, Royal Gala, and Fuji. There are plenty of choices. Here are some based on my juicing experience. Produce juice with tart flavors. Avoid juicing these if you have acidity or heartburn. These apples are best combined with sweeter apples.